Hi guys, welcome to Homemade Food. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we are going to cook a very special recipe for you. Very healthy, aromatic, quick, economical, easy, instant, nutritious and delicious mixed vegetable pasta. For detailed recipe, please stay with us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Boil 1.5 liter of water and add carrot to this boiling water. Let carrot cook up to 70%. Drain out excess water. Wash carrot properly with normal water and let the excess water drain out. By following this method, cook cabbage, pasta and potatoes up to 70% one by one. Boil pasta 200 grams. Heat up quarter cup cooking oil. Add 2 chopped green chilies. Add 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. Add 1 chicken cube. Fry for 30 seconds. Add vegetables. Carrot 150 grams. Add potatoes 150 grams. Add cabbage 150 grams. Add salt quarter teaspoon. Add black pepper powder quarter teaspoon. Add allspice powder quarter teaspoon. Add garlic powder quarter teaspoon. Add ginger powder quarter teaspoon. Fry for 5 minutes on high flame. Add pasta, mix well and fry for 1 minute. Cover the pan with lid. At this stage, set flame to dead low and let it cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn off the flame. But don't remove lid at once. Let it rest for 2 minutes. Then remove lid slowly and add tomato ketchup. Mix well. Healthy, aromatic, quick, economical, easy, instant, nutritious and delicious mixed vegetable pasta is ready. We hope you will give it a try. Enjoy and share with your family, friends, and people around you. Stay blessed and give us your feedback. We will see you in our next video. Take a good care of yourself and people around you. Thanks for watching.